Yo, yo, yo. Really quick, I'm going to go ahead and kind of recap the trade that I took this morning, which was this one right here. Show you what I was looking at and why I took the trade. So let me delete this. Let me delete this. All right. So first and foremost, if we go to the 4 hour, right? So when I saw it this morning, this is what I was seeing. I saw that we were respecting this bearish 4 hour fair value gap, right? So from there, I jumped down to the 1 hour. The 1 hour, I noticed that we did invert this FVG here. Let me delete this really quick. So I saw that we inverted this fair value gap here to the upside. This 1 hour FVG here, we inverted it at the close of this candle. And then I saw that we inverted this one to the downside. So after inverting this one to the upside, obviously we didn't, continue much any higher. We do have a 1 hour order block here that we respected as well as we were inside of this 4 hour fair value gap. So the fact that we didn't trade any higher when I looked at the charts this morning at the time I took the trade, the fact that we inverted this one to the downside, this one right here to the downside, I kind of knew that we were gonna sell, right? My targets for the day were these 4 hour lows here, right here. And my break even point was this low here. So if I jump down to the 15 minute, when I did take the trade, I noticed we had already swept these highs here. So we swept these highs. Why is it extended? So we had swept these highs at around 9 o'clock. So this one was swept and this one was swept. And then we also had this market structure shift on the 15 minute, but that was after I had taken the trade, right? So after the sweep of liquidity, went down to the 5 minute, and I saw this. When I took this trade, it was getting a phone call. It was on this bullish candle here. I did take the trade. Oops. I did take the trade because we did have a shift in market structure here, and we had left this 5 minute order block right up here. So if I turn on my executions, you'll see first sell was at 22195 flat. Stop loss was pretty much right here, right above this high. And then we got in on this candle here. Immediately after this candle closed, the next candle opened up bullish. So it opened up bullish, it wicked all the way up here, and then it started continuing down. And then I added another position at, let me take off this, at 22181 flat. So it was around right here is when I added the other position. I'll just make this black. When I saw how strongly it moved down after opening up bullish. So it opened up bullish and then it flipped bearish, started coming down. So I added another position that made me kind of comfortable in what I was looking at. So got in on this bullish candle. Next candle opened up bullish, opened up higher, closed down lower, engulfing the previous with no bottom wick. Next candle just continued going down. That's when I took my my initial 6 contracts right here at my break-even point at the lows I mentioned previously, and then I left 1 contract at these lows, which was this 4 hour low here. So overall, the trade was a little bit more than a 1 to 2. It was honestly like I looked at the charts. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was not gonna trade at all today. I was sleeping not sleeping, but I had just woken up when I looked at the charts. I literally looked at it at go back here. I looked at it at 9:39, right? So we're already past 9:30. 9:30 opened up very bearish. I woke up, didn't have an alarm or anything. I just wanted to chill today. I woke up, I said, let me see what it's doing. I saw all of this pretty much immediately, and I just market executed the sell and worked out in my favor, as you can see here. And if we move the screen up a little bit, you'll see profit was $743 on my personal TradeStation account, which I'll move myself here in a second so you can see right there in the bottom left. Did not take this on my Express funded accounts just because, again, I was not going to trade today, so I was okay with just taking the trade on one account. To be honest, I was not trying to lose more than I had to in case I was a loser, because I was not supposed to be trading today anyways. But yeah, overall, very, very nice trade. It was a 1-2. We were in drawdown for a little bit, about halfway to our stop loss, a little bit more than halfway, but you know, we were in the right direction with the market. We were in sync with it, and it worked out today. So thank you guys for watching. We are going to be live tomorrow, Friday the 21st. As always, we'll be back, and I'll see you there.